Hello everyone, this is Lalit from CodroidHub. In this video, we will talk about the dictionaries in Python. Dictionary is more like a hash table in which we have certain unique keys which are mapped to some values. For example, a roll number of a student is mapped to his name. Here in this table, roll number will work like a key, and corresponding to that we have name of the student as value. Once we know the roll number, we can easily have the name of the student. So here we have a roll number 2314003 and map name for this roll number is Lalit. So once we have the key, we can get the value. In a class, we may have two students with the same name, but the roll number will be different. Thus, we can have same values, but the keys will always be unique. Now let's see how we can implement the dictionaries in Python. So similar to other variables, first we will have a name of the dictionary, here students, then equals, then start the curly braces. Within that, first we have a key, colon, then we have a corresponding value for this key. This is a single key value pair. For adding other pairs, we will put comma like here. So first we have a key, colon, value for the key, comma, the second pair, comma, the third pair, and so on. Now let's come to the Jupyter Notebook for implementation. So basically, dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Let me run this. Now for checking the type of the student, we can write print type of students. So it is of type dictionary. Now if we want to print the whole dictionary, we can use print, and the name of the dictionary is students. So here we have key, value, and so on. Now let me show you how you can initialize the empty dictionary. For example, employee equals, you can use curly braces, and if you check the type of this, it will show you the dictionary. So here we again have a dictionary. Now, right now this dictionary is empty. Now the point is how we can access the values using a key. So we have a dictionary students, start the square bracket. Within that we need to supply the key. For example, 2314003, and we will get the value corresponding to it. Now for adding new key value pair, what we need to do, we need to write students, the name of the dictionary, then within a square bracket we need to give a new key, for example 2314006, and we have a name, let's say Kapil. Just run it. Now inside a student's dictionary, the value will be updated or added with the key 2314006 and the value as Kapil. In a similar way, we can add an employee inside an employee dictionary. Let's suppose the employee ID for the employee dictionary. Here we have employee empty dictionary. Let me print it. So currently it is empty. Now for adding the new key in this or a pair, first we need to give a key to, let's suppose the employee ID is COD141, and the value corresponding to that we have Mohan. Now if we check the the values inside the employee dictionary, so it will be employee. So we have COD141 as a key and Mohan as a value. Now let's see what will happen if the key is missing in the dictionary. Students, we know that we have keys starting from 2314001 and up to 2314007. Now let's put 2314007. Print it. So once we don't have the key, it will generate a key error. Now let's see how we can remove a key value pair. So for this, we need to write students, the dictionary name. Within a square bracket, we need to supply a key 2314001, and before that we need to give del, delete. Now the student dictionary will be updated. We don't have the 2314001 key value pair. So how can we modify the values for a key? Students, within a square bracket, we need to give a key, for example 2314002. Oh, okay, before that let me print the dictionary to check the current values which are lying inside the student dictionary. So we can modify the value for the key 2314002 by typing students, then within a square bracket a key equals, now let's suppose the name is John. So now if we check the value inside the dictionary students, we will have an updated value for the key 2314002. We will see the more important things about dictionary in the next video. Thanks for watching.